Welcome to episode 3 of Vlogmas. I realized it's not really day 3 because I'm doing every other day. I think episode might be more fitting. But anyways, nevertheless, welcome back if you're following along. And if you're new, I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas where I share things that are going on in my crafty world. I'm inspiring you guys to create handmade gifts this holiday season. And today we're going to be writing our own little open me letters. And I have the labels in the Patreon link, and you can grab those and print them, cut them out, put them on your envelopes, and they're just some inspiration to share with someone you love. They can use those letters or prompts or jokes or whatever you decide to write in there. For example, we have open now, open when you're feeling worried, open when you can't fall asleep, when your birthday, Thanksgiving, when you need a good laugh, when you're bored, when you're having a bad day, when it's Valentine's, when you need a pep talk just for fun, or it's our anniversary. These can be used for multiple different people. You can pick and choose the ones you need for the person you're giving the gift to. There's 13 on here, so you could do a couple of letters for different people. I will show you a couple of different versions for you to be able to use this, as well as all of the other random things that I did for this episode. It was the weekend, so it's kind of all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for episode 4. And if you have any other ideas that you'd like to see me try, let me know.
I didn't mean to leave you guys hanging yesterday or on my last video. I meant to cut the bread, but then I need to do the video and get it posted, which the bread wasn't cool to cut. Now it's cool to cut, and you get to see it in this video. So here we go. I'm going to make a grilled cheese out of it, and I'm super excited. Looks pretty good, huh? I almost burnt it because the cast iron got too hot. Oh, yeah. So I tried a different park today, and literally they haven't finished the road. They're connecting the Kirby Friendship Park to the other little park down here, and the road's not done. It's that saying where you take the path, the least taken path. I don't know. I'll put the quote on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. But it's been wonderful. Better than fighting people over there on the concrete trail.
It could just be a whole piece of paper cut into quarters, and you have 4 letters for each one. Make it simple, make it fast, make it cheap, make it doable. And you could even just do a folded page. Like what I would do is take the folded page, like say this is your letter, and then take that little label and then glue it on there and close it. You don't have to do an envelope. You don't have to do anything.
have a special package. It's a really cute sticker. I gotta find a neat place to put that. Probably on my iPad. All right. I've been watching Rad and Happy Stories, and her fig tree is growing like crazy. So I ordered some Happy Plant food, and I have had the worst luck with the stupid gnats. So I ordered some gnat stuff. And oh my gosh, and they sent a postcard. Oh, this is genius. You can send it back to give feedback. Oh, neato mosquito. Really cool. Okay. So I'm going to give these a try. I really hope you can hear me because my washing machine's going. I literally have no clean clothes. Real talk. How this open. Dude, look how genius this is. Ah! Oh, I appreciate good things. It's so well packaged. Okay, so this is like the combo starter bundle thing, and so what I'm gonna do is like you label the dropper bottle. Ah, there's so many cute stickers. So it's a concentrated version. You put it in the dropper bottle, and then look at this smiley face. There's hidden stickers everywhere. Okay, if you don't have plants, you need to get plants so you can order this stuff. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, so far I have a smiley face sticker, a fig leaf sticker, my food, my dropper, and some amazing more stickers, and this really amazing foldable box. The design on this is exquisite, so kudos to you guys. Fungus. Same freaking thing. Cool. Okay, so yeah, order Happy Plants. And the smiley on the top of the bottle. Every square inch of packaging and marketing, and I love it. You see the little monstera on the side. The dropper has the milliliters, so you pour this in here. You can add the dropper amount to your water. So I don't need to add water to this. My concentrate still goes into this. I don't remember where I saw about that little stopper thingy. Pop the spacer out while you fill this bottle. It makes it go faster. There we go. To wash. Also, can I pour this in without spilling it? Sure can, baby. Almost looks like Pepto-Bismol. So I think I can get 2 refills. 1, 2 from one of these. There's my death drops. Dun, dun, dun. And my plant food. Up until this point, I have been using the traditional plant food you buy in the oh boy, this one is not as smooth. It's green though, so I appreciate that. Oh, it matches the color of the fluid. So many layers of happiness. Okay, what was I saying? It's probably kind of hard to see, but I have this, it's called a keiki, which is like a baby orchid. I've got 2 of them on top of this really big orchid. I think it's a white one. And right after I bought it, it died. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this one off. I read somewhere it's the rule of 3. So if they've got 3 leaves and 3 roots, you can cut it off. This is the original stem, so I'm going to cut that off. It has 4 leaves and 2 roots. So I think that is about the same as 3 leaves, 3 roots. And then this one has a huge leaf, like it's almost the size of my hand, but it has no roots. So I'm going to leave this one for now. I'm going to cut this one off and see if I can propagate it and get it growing. Also, I had to completely dump, rinse, and get rid of all of the substrate in this jar because it was infiltrated with ants. So that is very bad. There's ants everywhere and I cannot get rid of them. Ugh. I found this beautiful blue baby blue jar at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put the baby orchid in here. I think it's going to be so adorable once it's all put together.
I think on the next one we're going to try salt dough garland. We'll see, or maybe we'll do hot chocolate cocoa jar gift. I haven't decided yet, but that's not how much time I have. Anyways, if you find this video inspiring or encouraging or gives you something to try on your own, feel free to share it with somebody who might enjoy it as well. And I appreciate all of your comments, likes, shares, and feedback for the videos. All right, have an awesome day.